Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and we're going to be using the James Charles palette to create this absolutely gorgeous, stunning, pink, glitter, cut crease look, and I know you like it because I like it, and it's gorgeous, and you need to keep on watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And why don't you check out one of my other videos down below while you're at it, because there's plenty of content, and I'm getting pretty bomb ass with my makeup, so yeah, I'm starting to really appreciate my skills, so I know you will too. Alright, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.